Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with a special unboxing for you. This is going to be a short one. You all know that I love my pens. I have a collection of the hand-turned pens, and I have another collection of all the cute little pens, and some of them are very pretty, from Happy Hippo Finds. And this is a new pen that I saw. It's by CreateMeNotbyDenise. She sent it in this beautiful little purple polka dotted padded envelope. That's a lot of P's. She does the polymer clay pens, which, to be very honest, I am not a fan of. I haven't been, because I've worked with polymer clay and it's something that I could do. So I wasn't really interested in buying them. But then I saw these pens, and these I could not do. They're so beautiful. Her designs are so beautiful. It says, she sent a little card in here. It says, "Create Me Not by Denise, Polymer Clay Designs. I wanted to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for purchasing one of my creations. It is thanks to those who support independent artisans like myself that allows me to continue creating pretties to bring to the world. Please take a moment to come back and leave a review through your purchase history. Gratefully, Denise Morgan." Now, I met Denise on Facebook. She has a Facebook group, and wow, she designed this. She literally asked me every aspect of this pen. So this was designed for me. She's calling it a Nancy pen. I think she said something about this color combination is going to be called the Fancy Nancy pen. I thought that was very sweet. I was very honored by that. So I told her that I wanted pink and purple roses. This is what really caught my eye, was her rose pen. She's really packaged it up nice in bubble wrap for me. And I told her pink and purple, and then I had to pick a background color. So I said I wanted pearl. And oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the roses on there. Like I said, polymer clay I could squish around and play with. I've played with it in the past. And she leaves the back end open, so I could put another tip in there. She put a single on there for me. She asked me what I wanted. I don't know if you can see. Please focus, please focus. It's focusing on my hand, not the pen. But the white in there is a pearl white. And it's all shimmery and beautiful. That's just gorgeous. I love it. They're like pink petals with a little darker pink in them, and then a lavender around the pink, and then a dark purple around that. So she made all this with polymer clay. I just wanted to share with you, these are the prettiest polymer clay pens I've ever seen. So I will put in the description, I will put her contact information and her Facebook group. I want to say she has an Etsy store. So if I find the link to that, I will put that in there too. But check it out. You know, there's a lot of people selling their kids polymer clay pens, and And for them, it's just all about making money. But this is, you know, I'm a big fan of true artistry. This is beautiful. And it feels really nice in my hand. And it's baked, so it's hard. It's not clay, soft clay, but it has the feel of the soft clay. Really pretty. I'm going to put another tip in the other side and use this in some of my my canvas conversations. Really pretty. Go check her out. Join her Facebook group. And, you know, you'll get notification about things coming out. I just wanted to share this with you guys. I was really excited about getting it. I love that it has my name. And that's it. You have a great day. Happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye.